So the chapter is the Earth, and we are gonna start off with the night sky. So at night, whenever you look at the sky, you see a lot of stars, right? So
Yeah.
what are stars? Stars are basically
Huge
huge
balls
balls.
of gas that give out light.
Yes. And stars have their own light. If we talk about moon, do you think the moon has its own light or not?
No, it's reflective.
Yes, it's reflecting the light from suns. Unlike the moon, stars are objects in the sky that have their own light. So whenever you look at a star, if you notice some stars, they are twinkling. Like the light, it seems to flicker, like it's going on and off and on and off. So why do you think that is? Okay, so it's not because as if like the light is getting on and off or it's not constant. It is because the light changes direction as it travels through the atmosphere.
Oh,
So that
like
is
so
why you
it's
see
in
the flicker.
different countries.
Not different countries, but it's changing direction as it's transferring to the atmosphere. Because we know that stars are not very close to us, right? They're like a lot far away, like even further
Millions of
than millions of kilometers away. So it changes direction. So planets basically means wandering stars, because we know that we have the sun in between, right? And then we have all of these planets that are orbiting, right? So that's why these planets, they're called wandering stars, because they are continuously revolving around the sun. Now planets are not stars, right? They are objects that orbit around the sun. So if I want to define planets, I can say objects that orbit around stars. Now why stars? We know that sun is also a star. So planets are basically something that is orbiting a star, which is the sun. And they are made of rocks or gases, and they do not give out light. The planets don't have their own light. Some examples of planets are Earth. Earth is a planet. Mars is a planet. Uranus is a planet. So all of these are planets, okay? And then you can see the planets and all the other objects in the sky, because light is reflected off them into your eyes. We can't usually see planets. On very rare occasion, on some places where there's very less air pollution, only there you can see planets, because because of light and air pollution, we can't really see planets, but the planets are there. So in spaces where there's very less light pollution, you are able to see planets. Then there are dwarf planets. So dwarf planets, they also orbit the sun, but they're smaller. And the sun is not the only star to have planets in its orbit around us. Astronomers, they have found lots of planets that orbit other stars, and these planets are called exoplanets because we don't know them. The sun is just one star. There are billions of other stars, and then there are millions of other planets that are
can't
orbiting.
count them.
Yeah, we can't count them. They are in a very huge quantity because we know the solar system is very big. So yeah, we can't really count them. But the point being is that sun is not the only star that has planets orbiting around it. There are others too.